Alright folks, I'm here at the International 4900 here that I've got. I know I hadn't really done a video of this truck yet and explained its history and how I've got it, but I will someday. But it mainly came with this grain trailer here was what I was really wanting. I got the truck out of the deal with it to pull it. So my little jet single hopper bottom grain trailer here. But anyway, I got the hood open, and for those of you that saw my video of the day I went and picked up the Massey 5610, you'll know that I had noted an air leak on this truck on my way back with the Massey. And of course I figured the problem out and tried to show it to you in the dark. But anyway, it was this little piece here. It's just a little air pressure sensor for when the air pressure drops below 60-65 psi for your air brakes. But anyway, the air was leaking around this electrical connection on the top. I don't know, something internally here went bad and it started spewing air out around this little connector here. But anyway, so that was it. That's the leak. At least I hope. I hadn't put the new part in, but I do know that was leaking anyway. So where that little rag is right there is where this thing goes, and I've got a wire, here we go, over here that is the wire that goes to it. But anyway, there's the old part, and I have the new part. If I can get out of the bag here with one hand. Anyway, I can get it out of the bag here. Alright, so there's the new part, all nice shiny new. Looks practically the same. It's already got some sealant on the threads. So yeah, that's the issue, and I hope, and I'm gonna thread that in here in just a minute. There on the top, and the air compressor, and I'm gonna start it up and let it run just a little bit and check for any leaks. Alright, so here you can see the nice new shiny little air pressure sensor installed there on top of the Bendix air compressor. So now I'm just gonna get in the truck and start it up and see if we got any leaks. If I can get up in here. Boy. Alright, so there's the annoying light and beeping sound that I got to listen to for 2 hours on the way home that evening, because that sensor went bad. But anyway, hopefully this will fix it. Let's see if she'll start. Almost. Try number 2. Here we go. There's my air pressure gauge over there. You can see it's building on up. that light beeping should go out when it gets a little over 60 there. I'm hoping. The pressure looks good. It's about to get over it. There it went. Light went off. About 70 psi there. So I'm looking at it at an angle. But alright, that's good. That's what I wanted to happen. I'll let it get on up to pressure here in a minute. I'll shut it off and get out and listen for leaks. Alright folks, I've let the engine run here a little bit and just put my finger around this. I don't feel any air, hear anything. I do hear a little air going through some valves and lines over here, but nothing leaking at the sensor. The light worked fine. No more beeping. I pressed the brakes and bled the air down a little bit, let it build back up. Seems to be fine, so that's all the issue was. For those of you wondering, this is a International 466 engine, DT 466 what they call it. It is the mechanical injection engine, so 1994. But someday when I got this thing out of the shed and in the light, I'll go around it, do a little review, show you what it's like, and maybe of my jet grain trailer back there. But anyway, yeah, so that fix is done, and thanks for watching. See ya.